Unpack blind and components. Remove headbox cover. Remove fabric by retracting the idler pin. Remove protective film from the hood box. Apply expander foam to the headbox mounting surface. Line expander foam over the mounting holes on top of the hood box for recess fit, or on the rear of the hood box for face fit, leaving a small amount overhanging at each end. Important: do not use a single piece of expander foam to go around corners. Use separate pieces to meet at corners. Apply expander foam to both hood box end caps for recess fit, or on the rear of the hood box for face fit, at each outer edge, in line with the expander foam on the top of the hood box. Remove side rail front covers and apply expander foam to the mounting surface of both side rails, over the screw holes, with a small overlap at the base. When installed, this should line up with the expander foam on the hood end caps for recess fit, or the back of the hood for face fit. Apply expander foam to the foot of both side rails for recess fit, or the back of both side rails for face fit. This will line up with the expander foam used on the side rail. Apply expander foam to the U-channel for recess fit only, on the outside base, covering the mounting holes. Face fit U-channel does not require expander foam. It comes with pre-fitted double-sided tape, which is used for light block and fitting. Center the hood box in position and loosely fix it into place through the pre-drilled mounting holes. Fit the side rails one at a time onto the tab of the hood box end cap, ensuring there is no gap between the two. Ensure the side rails are level front to back and left to right, then fix through the top mounting hole snugly. Do not heavily tighten this screw, or any fixing, during the installation. Check the side rails are still level, then fix the remaining screws. Position the U-channel centralized at the bottom of the blind. Check it is level and fix snugly, not tight, through the pre-drilled mounting holes for recess fit. For face fit, use the double-sided tape and ensure it is level before sticking in place. Take up any gap between the U-channel and the side rails by letting the side rail screws out slightly. Check hood box level. Adjust fixings if required to make level and snug the screws up at the same time. Apply fur strip to the internal base of the U-channel. Start level with the fur in the side rail, and run to the same position on the other side. Reinsert fabric into the hood box. Once in, wind the idler pin out completely. For motorized, ensure the charging point is facing forward. For spring, ensure the pin is facing forward, remove the retaining spring, and insert it into the opposing hood end cap for later if required. If motorized, pair with the remote at this point. Insert the side rail front covers, ensuring a positive click at the bottom. Place the hood front and fix with screws, then remove the protective film. For spring operation, springs have been set at time of manufacturing. Check functionality, and if adjustment is required, refer to the detailed install guide. For motorized blinds, set limits as per the motor instructions.